Now we talk to Manila Water spokesperson Jeric Sevilla. Good morning. Thank you for taking our call, sir.
Hello, good morning, Ria.
Now, over the past few days, water supply has been restored in some areas covered by Manila Water. Can you tell us the areas where water supply is back to normal and those that are still without water up to now?
Well, about 90% of the concession area of Manila Water already has water at certain times of the day, and the remaining ones without water are really the challenging ones. These are areas located in the elevated portions or farthest from the source. For example, in Pasig, there's Pinagbuhatan and Bagong Ilog. In San Mateo, there's Gitnang Bayan. In Taguig, there's the Bikutan area. There are a few areas in Quezon City, especially those along Tandang Sora. So these are the remaining areas that we're still doing tankering services in the meantime as we get to a more permanent solution like installation of line boosters for elevated areas and additional valving operations and several interconnections. So those are what we are doing right now.
What did you do to get the supply back? Because last Friday, President Duterte ordered Manila Water and Maynilad to release water from Angat Dam. Did Manila Water comply? And is this the reason or one of the reasons that supply is back in some areas?
Well, the reason why supply is back in some areas is largely because of the scheme which we implemented last Thursday and Friday. If you recall, in the past, there were areas with 24 hours. So in last Thursday and Friday, we said that everyone in the concession area will be experiencing water interruptions. This will allow our reservoirs to refill, and in so doing, there will be supply that will be distributed in areas. So the scheme, which is really a rotational water supply scheme, which we implemented last Thursday, is mainly responsible for this one. And of course, the additional supply that has been given to us, like for example, we started operating our Cardona plant in Rizal, which initially now produces about 22 million liters per day. So Maynila has started its cross-border flow to us. That's an initial 2 million liters per day, which is going to be progressive over time. In addition, from 2, it will become 24 by April 2, and then 32 by the mid of April, and by June it's going to be 50 million liters per day. We have also started activating several deep wells. There are existing deep wells which are operating, especially in Rodriguez Rizal, in Corayao, and then just last night, 8 deep wells were recommissioned again, and then for today there are 4 more that are going to be energized, so to speak. So these are some of the additional water supply that we are able to get to be able to provide water for most of the communities in Manila Water.
Okay, well, today a House committee meeting will be held. It's going to be an investigation into this water crisis. You and other Manila Water representatives will be there. What are your thoughts? What do you hope to accomplish from this meeting?
Well, of course, we welcome the hearing in Congress, as well as tomorrow. I think it's going to be the Senate. So this will enable us to really explain what exactly happened and what are our recovery efforts, and over the long term, what exactly do we need to ensure water security in the concession area.
All right. Thank you very much for your time. That was Manila Water spokesperson Jeric Sevilla.